city across from where I'm staying.
Head northeast.
The guard said I could stay here. This is okay. Look, everybody's out walking. He said I could walk through here, cut over to the right.
Head
Be
southeast.
right at the pharmacy where I need to be. This is awesome. Oh boy, is this nice. There's a breeze out here. Do you see the trees moving? Oh, this is like air conditioning. It is so hot in the city. Almost got my ass ran over. Guess what $11 in Kuala Lumpur buys you in groceries? Yes, I said 11 US dollars. Tofu, eggs, look at these drinks. I've never had them. Noodles, rice, my veggies, my lemons, onions, garlic, all these cool seasonings, right? Different kinds of beans and barley. Yes! Check it out. I'm making my first meal up on the stove. Oops, I better turn it down. This is old school shit. My grandma used to cook with this stuff. You gotta get the heat just right. Yeah, you gotta get that shit just right. There you go. That's the way we roll. You're probably wondering, what's that? Good question. I bought these beans. I have no idea what they are. But I did put some Thai paste in there for seasoning, super chili, spicy. That's okra, the green stuff's okra, and then I put onions and garlic. This is starting to smell good. This is the view I get from my kitchen. Like, what? Girl, check it out, check it out. Look at the view, man. That's that lake that I went walking around earlier today. Oh man, it's been hot. The heat index, it was hitting 99 degrees this afternoon. I had to get out of the heat at 3 o'clock. I stayed in and now I'm cooking because as you can see, it's open window, no screen. So it's a little hot. You gotta wait till it cools down to cook. Alright, I'll put the cover on there. Yeah, I think that's good. I'm just gonna let it slow simmer. And we're good to roll. Yeah, I got my gas put in there. So wild. This is just so wild.